Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Milgat Farms. It is cold today, 12 degrees. Earlier this morning, we put our clothes on the line. Check this out. They're frozen solid. Hopefully they'll dry before the end of the day, and they will smell wonderful. We are headed up on the mountain today, and we're going to do a little work on the lines. So there's our mountain. If you can see it. It's a good day. It's always good to get on the mountain in the morning. So we're going to head up there now. Hey guys, so we're on top of the mountain right now, and guess what? It's still cold. It's 12 degrees on the bottom. It ain't much warmer up here. We've got a few lines down. We're going to do some 3/16 work right now. So our repair today included a short section right in the middle of this lateral right here. Again, we're on top of the mountain. It is downright frigid. The plastic doesn't like the cold per se. When it gets this cold, it does get a little stiffer, though you still can work it pretty easily. All right, guys. I always say guys. Maybe it's girls. All right, folks. Let's try that. We're on the way down the mountain now. We just finished repairing 2 laterals, pulling them tight, putting new sections in. Now we're in the Yamaha heading back to the bottom. And we're going to Isabel's Christmas party. So we'll be down at the bottom in a little bit. On the way down, I'll give you a little show. We'll see what we can do. On the way down, I'm going to take a video. On the way down, I'll show you where we're going. Hill up here. We're going to open up later, maybe this year, maybe not. We'll just see how much time we got. So downhill section over there, and here we go. Boy, my forehead is numb. There's a section down right there we got to get fixed. Chewed up. Ears are not my friend. Squirrels can be painful too. So we're on top of the mountain. It's probably in the upper 20s. It's a lot warmer. It's the afternoon. The sun is heading down. So at this moment, I got gloves on. I can feel my fingers. Life is good. We are about to finish up on some laterals. We've already done 2 in the past hour, and we've got a few more to do, and then maybe go down and work on a main line or 2. So we are on the very tip top of the mountain. We're gonna walk over here. If we get up here on the very, I say the top, we're up here on the ridge. We are on the ridge. If we turn around, you guys look over there. I don't know if you can see it. That's West Virginia. There's one more mountain, and then West Virginia is just on the other side of that. That mountain over there is drop dead gorgeous. It is amazing over there. So we're getting ready to finish up here, and then we're heading down. It's a good day. It's a cold day, but definitely a good day. All right, talk to you soon.